Ashvi and a wife of a supporting husband, Prashant. I would like to share my journey, how I have loosened up my weight. 1.5 years back when I was 72 kg and now I'm at 50 kg. I just wanted to share with you all. So might be it will be helpful for some of the ladies out there, especially the moms who will increase the weight after their deliveries. So these days anyway there's so much of focus on decreasing the weight, be a healthy person. To achieve this is you need just two things. You need a dedication and determination. Half battle is won when you think that I have to start the exercise, and then you have to start implementing it. Plus you have to take care of your diets. Plus if it's possible for you, you go out and walk and jog for half an hour. Start small steps, small goals. Start achieving that, and when you are confident as per your strength, you can increase the times for your exercise, for your workout, or for your jogging or walking. If you love it, then you will able to do it for a longer run. See, the weight which you have increased, it's not in a 1 day or 2 days. It has taken years to get that excess weight in your body. So you have to again exercise for 6 months or 1 year aggressively to see the result. So if you start now, after 6 months, if you see yourself, you will be proud and happy what you have achieved in these years. And if you don't start, then after 6 months or 1 year, you will feel that I have wasted those years. I should have started long before. So this is the right time. So if you touch 50, 60, it's very difficult to reduce the weight. Your body will not allow you to do the exercises. You can do it with me right now. So we'll be doing 10 different unique exercises. I think just the yoga mat is sufficient. No equipment. If you feel that you're not able to do it, you slow down, but don't stop it. That is the main motto. Gradually you will see the result. It's not in a day or 2 days or 15 days. So health is important. If you see the other person, we cannot make it out how healthy the person is. Inside what is going on in our body, we don't know. But yes, we can try to make it good, healthy. See, you feel that you don't have an excess weight on your body, but still 15-20 minutes, half an hour exercise is no harm. It will give you a mental peace. It will give you a deep, nice sleep in the night. So, and when you see that you are on excess higher side of the weight and you have reduced the weight, it will give you a lot of confidence. So what I'm going to do is exercises will strengthen your body, will tone up your body, and will give you a nice shape which you're looking for. After a month, if you see that you have loosened up the weight, trust me, you will not feel of stopping it. You will feel of doing it more and more because it is giving you a result. When you started and how you finished, it all depends on your determination towards work. It's not only the exercises, anything, any goal which you take and you start and you finish it, it'll give you happiness, the proud feeling, plus how the people also will recognize you that this person has done something, achieved something differently. So that's a great saying, that you have to do things differently than the others, and which will give you result differently. So I'm going to share the exercises, the workout which I have done, 10 exercises. You can take a breaks if you want in between. You can have a sip of water, you can relax your body for some seconds, you can have a deep breath to make it to go into the next exercises. So let's, and have a motto in the mind that you have to finish these 10 exercises as fast as you can. So after a month or 15 days, if your stamina allows, your strength allows, try to reduce the time and try to do it faster and faster. So let's start and take a pledge that I am going to do this for some months till I don't get the result what I have planned for. So you have to come out from your comfort zone, that every day what routine you have set. Take out 15-20 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, how aggressively you want to reduce your weight depending upon that. Then start this exercises. Trust me, it will give you so many good results and healthy body. So one day I decided, I took a pledge that I have to reduce my weight. But 50 I was not thinking, I was thinking some 55 or 60 is good enough. But I'm not stopping myself. But yes, I'm on constant 50 kg of weight now. So I do bit less, but I make sure I do the exercises, the workout, so that I don't, discontinuation of anything is difficult to come back to the normal plan. So this is my first video which I am sharing it. I hope you will like it. So let's start with me. Follow along exercises which will be doing 10. All will be lying down on the mat, which will give you good result, and your belly fat will reduce for sure, because all this will give a pressure contraction on your lower belly. So let's start, and all the best to all the ladies and moms out there. Let's start the exercise. Each exercises will be of 40 seconds. If after that you want, you can take breaks in between. If you feel more sweat, your heart is pumping, or you want to have a sip of water, you can have that. So let's start the first exercise.
Exercise is half seated leg circle. In this, you have to draw a circle with leg raising around about 45 degrees. Keep stiff your legs throughout the exercise. And we are going to switch the direction in midway like 20 seconds. Switch directions now. This exercise called reverse plank leg raise. In this, belly facing up, and you're going to raise one leg at a time, alternate sides, contracting your lower belly on each raise. Concentrate on lower belly muscles. This exercise called half seated reverse crunch. In this, you have to bend your knee 90-degree angle, then crunch your knees in and out all the way to the chest, and then lower your heel down. Continue crunching in and out. Focus on the contraction on your lower abs. This exercise called lying leg raise. In this, you lay flat on your back with your palm down on the ground. Lift your leg up in the air, rock them towards your chest, get a little bit air underneath your hips, and get back again on the floor. Exercise is knee roll ups. It is similar to lying leg raise, but this time bending your knees and rolling all the way to the chin. I like to make a little cushion with my hand underneath my hips and make sure your legs extending all the way to the bottom and up to the chin. Controlling movements as best as you can and contracting your lower abs in this exercise. In this exercise, alternate heel drop, lying flat on the back, lift both legs straight up to the air, and alternate dropping your right heel to the ground, then you're dropping left heel to the ground. Make sure you bring both legs up in the air to meet in the middle before dropping the next one. Keep your abs tight throughout the movement. Exercise is bicycle legs. In that, lying flat on your back, support your hips with your hand underneath. Then raise your knees up to table height, extend one leg at a time, and then other one you pull towards you. You can keep your head lifted or keep it down momentarily if it is paining, but it is good if you keep them lifted and look at your lower abs while you're doing this. Exercise is flutter kicks. Same lying flat on your back position with your hips supported by your hand underneath. Extend your leg out straight, lift them about 4 to 6 inches off the ground, and kick your legs as fast as you can as if you're swimming in the water. Keep your head lifted or keep it down momentarily, but if it is you're looking at your lower abs, it's good. You can do this. I know it's hard, but we are almost there. Exercise is cross plank. Get into the plank position, knee to elbow. Keep your pace strong, elbow slightly bent, don't stiff it, and stay strong in the exercises. This is the last exercise, wide to narrow push-ups. In this, let's start with the wide push-ups first. In and out, wide and narrow push-ups. Lower down your body. Keep your body in line. Don't bend it. And you have to keep your elbow back.
guys, we've done with the 10 exercises. Relax your body, have a sip of water, try to minimize the time, try to reduce the time. As fast as you can, you try to finish it. This is all just the 10 exercises which I was doing. It is more which I'll be sharing in the next video. Hope you like it, doing with me, along with me, the exercises. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll be continue doing it this more and more exercise, more and more workout I'll be sharing with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for doing with me. All the best. Be positive. You can do it. Trust me, nothing is impossible.